A banana my pizza? No. No. These fucking pink bowls, man. Ah, my beer spilled. Fuck.
I thought you subscribed, but you actually signed up for a cult.
Kakawoo.
Kakawoo? What the fuck? How does that look like Kakawoo? What the hell? What is he smoking? Okay, so I should get started. I'm very slow right now. Look at this. I couldn't even find this, so I got to 2 different stores. I had to go to Walmart to actually find it, of all places. I am not making my own crust, so we'll put that down. It wasn't frozen, so... Oh god. Okay, so we got la leche, the heaven cream. Lots of butter. Oh shit. Hold on, I need another stick. Okay. You guys probably can't see the fridge. Yeah, you can't. Do we need milk? I don't think we need milk, but I might add milk. See, make it a little thicker. Rosemary. Mushrooms. Parmesan. Mozzarella. Start eating pizza from crust. That's pretty cool. Then you can dip it. Yeah, so we're making alfredo sauce first. Do you guys think I should make or cook the bacon before I actually put it on the pizza and bake it in the oven? Or do you think I should just put it raw on the pizza and bake it? Think about it. A banana my pizza? No. No. Make it in the mouth and use the bacon as the... What am I making, a smiley face with the whole shell? Ah, my beer spilled. Fuck. Okay, hold on. Shit, now it's on the coffee maker. Snow also has a very distinct smell, and that's, Till I'll Die On. I think I agree with that. I agree with that. It has a really interesting taste, too. No, I've tasted snow, and I think when you taste, you do a lot of smelling naturally because they're connected. So I think I agree with you because I was a dumb kid. I ate snow once. I was like, it's water, right? Look. Recipe? I'm not gonna make. I've never made Alfredo Nexa. I can't just wing it. It's gonna come out like shit. Okay, so let's talk it out then. Let's talk this out. Alfredo sauce. Heavy cream. I don't even remember the amounts. That's the thing. You guys are gonna encourage... Why am I listening to fucking chat? You guys are just bad ideas. I don't know why I'm listening to you guys. I should just follow my plan. Here I am thinking, well, we should have fucking banana. We can fucking just wing it. No, stop it. No, get out of my head, chat. You have no power here. Let me show you how pathetic my bacon looks, guys. Oh no! Oh no! I dropped one of the pieces! No, it broke some more! Look, it's so sad. Fuck. So if you guys don't know, I was in a very long relationship for a few years, and I got a breakup last year, right? This is what I got out of the fucking relationship. These fucking pink bowls, man. But they work. They're plastic. I mean, they're, you know, they're never gonna break. They bounce. I'm gonna watch this one though. I think I have a backup. She took the knives and I got the fucking pink bowls, dude. Boys, don't get in relationships, okay?
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you.
Sure, the bacon was pathetic looking, but look. I got some organic shrooms, okay? These are not your average type of mushrooms, okay? These are fucking organic. Paid $4 for this fucking pack. Can you believe it? So let me show you the crust again. For size comparison, right? Here's the crust, right? So I'm not trying to overload my pizza either. I like my pizza nicely, evenly balanced. You know, I don't like too many toppings, too much sauce, too much cheese. But I think these are nicely sliced, right? Can you guys see them? They're not like out of focus. Yeah, I think that's the perfect slice right there. Nice and thin. Very aerodynamic. Wow. Oh shit. Oh, there she is. You guys want to see her? Happy. What's she doing? Look, you guys see my clothes to the right, by the way? She pulls those out of that drawer. She goes in there, I fold them nice and neatly, and then she pulls them out of that like little box. Are you concerned why we're doing this? You look concerned. Your tail's in the water, Happy. Your tail's in the water. Move it. You trying to get a wet tail? She's so happy right now. No, she ate the bacon bits. Oh God.
Bueno, adiós, Master.
Everyone, power up together. I have to do it off cam though. First, we gotta wrap this butter. Oh yeah. Treat it with care, you know. This is gonna be the base of the sauce. Look at that. That's some nice butter right there. Look at that. It does look good, doesn't it? It does look like you want to take a bite out of it, but I'm not going to. Yeah, we're making this with love. Just gonna throw that in there. It just stuck. Thing about the moon. Oh my God! Why is there smoke? Is there something burning underneath? Oh shit! Yeah, there's like char. Oh my God. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Heavy the cream. I'm about to. I just wanted to melt all the stick. Oh yeah. Like a fucking chef.
You fucking donkey!
I literally feel. I'm just here like. Nah, 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 nah. Just slowly thinking I'm doing something. I feel like I'm not. I feel like a little kid playing with soup. This doesn't feel right. Gotta open this up. Careful, guys. This has been imported from Italy itself, actually. It's from Lincolnshire, Italy. I'm putting the whole thing in there. It's all the Parmesan. Then we'll add the mozzarella in a second. Oh, oh God, this looks so good now with the cheese added. Yeah, baby. Oh my God. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Now it's looking like a sauce. It's already getting nice and thick. This is the thickness we want, I think. Hey, 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 hey. Chat. You want to see the progress after the cheese was added? It's a little thin still, right? It's a very thin still, but oh my God, this is beautiful pasta sauce. I'll tell you that. I'm so fucked. This is gonna be the runniest pizza. I could make a calzone. All I have to do is what? Fold it? Oh fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna use this crust. It actually broke it. This music's pumping me up. Oh shit! Fuck! Okay, that was not shit. I had too much fun. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, it's going so bad. This is going horribly wrong. Oh my God. Okay, no more dancing in the kitchen. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. Time to actually layer this bad boy. You have to bake it. I don't know how long I'm gonna bake it, to be honest. I put some of this cheese. That's left over in the bag, right? As a base layer. Base layer, right? Okay, here we go. The layering begins. Power stands. Shredded white skin mozzarella. You guys want to see it before it gets ugly? Look. It looks like it's gonna be a good cheese pizza. We should just bake this and call it a day. Alright, let's put the mushrooms next. Oh yeah, we're gonna take our time with this mushroom layering. Check it. It looks really pretty. I mean, does it look so bad? I think the bread, the crust is just soaking it right now. I feel it. Look at this. It doesn't look too bad, right? It's salvageable. Not much of a pizza now. It's more of a bread with topping. Here we go. Goodbye, sweet prince. May you get brown and crusty. Get a nice tan in there, okay? Treat your food with love. Oh my god, we forgot the rosemary. Hold on. Hold on. We forgot the rosemary. Fuck. Rosemary tastes better when it's baked or warm. Fuck. So, here's the deal. I think I'm gonna... You guys have been... Okay, you guys have been insane this month. Like, supporting-wise. You guys almost broke my sub record. Right, we're like really close to it. It's insane. That means the payout on the 15th is gonna be pretty nice. So I'm gonna put that into some merch. We're gonna do a koozie giveaway next month. You guys don't know, I did that one 2 years ago when I started streaming. So if you're a new frog, this is your chance. It's not gonna look like this. These are more like one-time thing. Different design, different color. I'm gonna do about 15 of them. It's time. Cheers to you guys. Slightly burning on the edges. That's okay though. Holy shit. It's a lot of stuff. It definitely looks good. Alright, you guys want to end up this looks good, I think. I think it's a success, guys. We saved it. It's a little runny, but I think I saved it. Mushroom, bacon, alfredo sauce, mozzarella, parmesan, rosemary, a little bit of chipotle for the spice, salt, pepper. Lots of love, butter, come. Tonight, on Scuffed Kitchen, we attempted an Alfredo pizza. It came out, it looked like shit. It smells great though, and the finished product looks 10 times better than we thought it would. The crust is definitely not done. No, it is. It's just... It is done, actually. Creamy! Savory. Don't try this at home. Psych. The ingredients are falling off. It's definitely a little soggy. Soupy. Oh god. I might have to eat this with a fork and knife. The crust, I might put this back in. I should put it back in. Is it too late? It's too late. The arugula's been added. Where's the music? Hold on! I'm putting it back in the oven. It's too floppy. Wait, will it get oh god. It's a disaster. I'm just gonna have a slice. Fuck it. 1/2 at a time. Okay. Soup. It's definitely going back in the oven. Today's pizza will be served on my limited edition spicy plate that Shaggy and Ashley sent me year one of streaming. Here we go. Tiny bite. Tiny bite, because it's really soggy. No! I don't know what to think. Do I have another slice? I don't know. It needs to be baked more. The crust is too soggy. There you go, chat.
Bloody delicious.
Please, everyone, take out your notepads, your people pads. Page. $71. Blank. Okay. So, final thoughts, Mr. Bean Dip. I can only give you half an answer today. One answer, and that is... I'm not convinced. You know why? We had some difficulties with our process today. What can we learn from this? Okay. 71. Page 71. Okay. What can we learn from this? Well, we can learn measure. Please write that down. There'll be a pop quiz after. 71, I said. Come on, pay attention, Halo. Okay, that's an F student right there. Don't listen to her. Measure your heavy cream. Measure the cream. Summarize that. Correct note. Okay. Number 2. You gotta measure the cream. Okay. If you want soup pizza, don't measure it. Just pour it all in. If you want to recreate what I've made today, you need a whole pint of heavy cream and a whole bag of cheese. That's number 2 right there. Measure, got it, okay? Number 3. Maybe go with a wooden stone or a wooden stone slab instead of metal. I'm about to put this back in. It's straight on the rack. I don't know what's gonna happen. The house might burn down. I might have to clean after. It might be exactly what it needs. It needs to thicken and get... Hold on. What is going on today with my music? Okay. Yes, work on pull-out game. That's note number 4. Wait, what was number 3? Did anyone write down number 3? Did I... Hold on. Razor, let me see your notes, dude. Yo, Razor, let me see your notes, man. Yeah. Let me see what... Hold on. What was number... Pull-out game was 3? I thought that was 4. Oh, fuck. Okay. Halo, let me see your notes, dude. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. Pull-out game is number 3. Strong pull-out game. Don't leave it in too early. Or take it out too early. Don't leave it in too long. This is not what you want to do. You don't want to take a piece of food out and then put it back in. And it's happened twice. It's like a debate. You go in and out. You go in and out too many times. This is a big debate. No one likes that. Finish properly. Number 4. Need a piece of pan with holes in the bottom. Number 5. Don't let your ex take the piece of whole pan because she had it. I'm not kidding. No, not fuck your ex, Smurfie. God damn it. Alright, Smurfie. Chat. Class, don't listen to Smurfie's notes. Don't copy his. Don't listen to Rosa Smurfie's notes. No. It's the opposite. Don't. D-O-N-T. Make sure you take that down, okay? Alright. I'm just gonna play it by ear now. Oh, that was today's lesson. Thank you. Alright. I'm gonna say it without trying my own pizza. Look at me. I believe. Alfredo sauce can work on pizza. It can. Yeah, Alfredo is bussin', yo. That's the pizza stream. I'm glad you guys tuned in for this part. If you were here. I had a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna take you to the bathroom. I'm just kidding. Part 2 is a shower stream. Surprise!